Ayan. Good morning. What's up, guys? Ayan po. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Teacher Dex Channel TV. Ayan po. This is my first tutorial sa aking YouTube for this year 2021. So I'll be discussing with you about the magnetic force and the magnetic field. So, ayan po. What's up, madlang people? Ayan, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Teacher Dex Channel TV. Ngayon po, akin po ipapaliwanag po sa inyo ang kahalagahan po ng magnetic field. Wilhelm Weber developed the practical methods for detecting and measuring the strength of the magnetic field. Hindi yung magnetic field, we are talking about the magnets. We're talking about magnetism. Okay? When we say magnetic field, it is a region in which there is force of a moving charge. So, alam na po natin, there are only two kinds of attracting force or magnetic force. Ano po yung dalawa? We have attraction and repulsion, or simply attract and repel. As we all know, that opposite poles attract and same poles repel. The magnetic field is produced by a magnet which is represented by line which is from north to south. Okay, always remember there are only two end poles of our magnet. So we have the north and we have the south. So if north and north, they repel. If north and south, they attract. So ito po yun, ipapakita ko po sa inyo. Okay? Ipapakita ko po sa inyo about this magnetic field. Okay. So ayun po yung magnetic field. So B is denoted as the magnetic field. Okay? So the standard unit of magnetic field is Tesla. Okay? And old name of Tesla is Weber per square meter. So Tesla is denoted for as capital letter T. So you have Tesla. Tesla denoted as capital letter T. And the old name is Weber per square meter, or simply we have Weber per square meter. Ito po yung old name, ito po yung new unit of magnetic field. So always remember, let us try to go back with our magnetic field. So magnetic field, sabi nga natin, if they are closer, if two magnets are closer, the magnetic field is strong, or the magnetic attraction is strong. If the two magnets are far apart, then therefore the attraction is less. Okay? Ayan guys, gagamit tayo ng whiteboard and of course calculator. Okay? So ngayon, we're going to discuss about magnetic force. Magnetic force, how we're going to solve magnetic force. So magnetic force is equal to Q V B sine theta. Okay, this is our equation. So magnetic force, the unit, what is Fm? Fm is magnetic force. And what is Q? That is electric charge. And what is V? That is velocity or the speed. And what is B again? That is magnetic field. And what is the theta? That is the angle. Okay? So magnetic force is equal to QV B sine theta. If you're going to solve for P, we have magnetic force over Q V sine theta. Ito po yung our equation on how to solve the two We have the magnetic force and we have the magnetic field. So magnetic force is different from magnetic field. Magnetic force, the unit of magnetic force is always Newton, while the unit of magnetic field is Tesla. So magkaiba po yan. Okay? So, ipapakita ko po sa inyo how to apply these two equations. Ayan. This is for grade 10 pala, no? This is for grade 10 up to second quarter. So, first problem, an aircraft whose wingspan is 16 meters carries a static charge of 0.75 coulomb. It travels at 235 meters per second perpendicular to a 1.9 times 10 raised to negative 4 Tesla magnetic field. What magnetic force does an aircraft experience? That is our first problem that we are going to apply about magnetic force. The second problem, a proton is traveling 2.4 times 10 raised to 6 meters per second in a circular path with a magnetic force of 3.2 times 10 raised to negative 13 Newton. What is the magnitude of the magnetic field of the proton at 90 degrees with a charge of 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19 coulomb? So first problem, ang hinahanap po is magnetic force. Second problem, ang hinahanap po is magnetic field. So ayan, so ang problem po natin, number 1, is what magnetic force does an aircraft experience? So first thing to do, we have to identify all the given. First, we have Q, which is 0.75 coulomb, followed by speed, which is 235 meter per second, followed by our angle, which is perpendicular, kaya nakalagay we have 90 degrees, and we have our magnetic field, which is 1.9 times 10 raised to negative 4 Tesla. So anong hinahanap po natin? Ang hinahanap po natin is magnetic force. So ito po yung given natin. So ulitin ko, we have electric charge which is 0.75 coulomb. We have velocity which is 235 meters per second. We have angle which is 90 degrees. And we have our magnetic field which is 1.9 times 10 raised to negative 4 Tesla. At ang hinahanap po is magnetic force. So magnetic force. So ano ba yung formula po ng magnetic force? So ang magnetic force po natin, magnetic force is equal to Q V B sine theta. So this is our formula how to solve the magnetic force based on the formula that I have presented a while ago. So first, substitute po natin, Q is 0.75 coulomb multiplied by 235 meter per second multiplied by magnetic field which is 1.9 times 10 raised to negative 14 Tesla multiplied by sine 90 degrees. So ito po yon our solution. So we just only substitute the given based on our formula. So let us try to see what is sine 90. Sine 90 is equal to is equal to 1. So wala na po tayong gagawin po dyan. It's already 1. 1 lang po siya. Okay? So let us try to see. Ito naman we have to convert this into a this is negative 4, I'm sorry. we're going to convert this scientific notation into a normal form of writing numbers. So, magiging 0.00019. So, yan po ang gagamitin natin. So, 0.75 multiplied by 235 multiplied by 0.0019. So, what will be our answer? So, based on our answer, based on this, our final answer is 0.033. The unit is Newton, since we are talking about magnetic force. So that's our equation for the first problem. Okay, so the magnetic force is 0.033 Newton based on our electric charge, which is 70.75 coulomb, and with the speed or velocity of 235 meters per second with a magnetic field which is 1.9 times 10 raised to negative 4. So that's for our first problem. Ayan po. So pupunta naman po tayo ngayon sa ating second problem. Okay, ano ang problem natin? What is the magnitude of the magnetic field of the proton? So we're talking about now the magnetic field. First thing to do, we have to identify again all the given. So what are the given? So we have velocity, which is 2.4 times 10 raised to 6 meters per second. Sunod, we have magnetic force. So Fm, which is equal to 3.2 times 10 raised to negative 13 Newton, followed by our angle, which is 90 degrees, followed by our electric charge, which is 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19 coulomb. So, ano ang hinahanap natin? It is magnetic field. Magnetic field is unknown. Ano ba yung formula natin sa magnetic field? Magnetic field is equal to magnetic force over Q V sine theta. So let us try to substitute now the given based on our formula. So magnetic force is equal to 3.2 times 10 raised to negative 13 Newton over our Q is, we have 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19 coulomb multiplied by our V, which is 2.4 times 10 raised to 6 meter per second multiplied by sine 90 degrees. So sine 90, sabi ko nga, it's equal to 1. So wala pong problema po doon. Substitution, we have here 3.2 times 10 raised to negative 13 Newton. So we have to divide this. So multiply po muna natin. 1.6 multiplied by 2.4. So we have, the answer is 3.84 times 10. Okay? So this is negative 19. Ang exponent po is negative 19 and 6. So since multiplication po, so we have to add our exponent. So negative 19 plus 6, so we have negative 13 also. So all we have to do is cancel this. Cancel po yan. So what will be our answer? 3.2 divided by 3.84. So our answer is equal to 0.83 Tesla, or simply 0.83 Tesla. This is our answer for our second problem. Okay, so this is it. Kapag nagustuhan niyo po ang aking video ngayon, pag kung kakalimutan na i-subscribe at i-likes po ang aking YouTube channel, Teacher Dex Channel TV. Thank you very much and God bless everyone.